Hi friends, it's Lisa at Gifted Guru here with another little PowerPoint tip, especially for teachers, although anyone can use them. Now, if you already know this tip, you're thinking, doesn't everybody already know this? But if you don't know this tip, you are about to have your world rocked. So what I'm about to show you is how you can use some prime real estate in PowerPoint to speed up your process. So what I'm talking about is the quick access toolbar. Now, let's say I'm on the home tab here, and whenever I want to do something, then like let's say I want to, let's say I've got a slide here, and I want to insert a text box. I have to click insert text box, and then there it is. Okay, I can make that so much easier on myself by adding this. I just right click on it and say add to the quick access toolbar. And now it shows up here. And so now let's say, let me go back to my home tab. Now, instead of having to click insert text box, all I have to do is click this and boom, there's my text box. I can do the same thing with anything else that I use a lot. Let's say that I'm constantly applying transitions. I can then click in here and I can add the whole gallery to the quick access toolbar. So now instead of having to click two transitions away from the home tab, I just click here and it opens right up for me, ready to use. Anything that I frequently do, I may find useful here. For instance, let's say I format the background a lot. I can add format background to the quick access toolbar. Let's say that I frequently, I'm trying to think of some of the things I do. You know what I do a lot is in addition to inserting things. And the insert tab is where you're going to find a lot of things that you might use. I am constantly arranging. I'm constantly aligning. And so I'm going to add alignment to the quick access toolbar. I'm constantly using alignment. Now, in addition to choosing things to add to the quick access toolbar based on what I think I use all the time, or as I'm using it, I think, oh yeah, let me just add that to my quick access toolbar. I can also do it by clicking here. This allows me to customize the quick access toolbar just by checking things, right? Just by checking things. So I have like auto save on, and I might want to do undo and redo. Those are common. I can also then do more commands. And now I can scroll through here. First, the default here is popular commands, and I can look through these popular commands. Do you draw a lot of tables? I can draw a table here. Format painter, I actually do use that a lot. Increase font size, maybe I use that a lot. Insert pictures, I actually do that a lot. I can drop down here and I can choose other kinds of commands as well. Let's say I'm frequently using different tabs. So let me see, like the draw tab. I can choose any of these and add them to my quick access toolbar. I can also just do it for this presentation. So let's say I'm working on a big presentation and it has some specialized commands. I can make my quick access toolbar just work for this particular presentation. All right, once I've got it the way that I want it, I just click OK. Now you see all these commands that I have right here simply at the touch of my cursor. Now I want to show you one more option. In addition to having your quick access toolbar up here, PowerPoint lets you move it to this space, show below the ribbon. That puts your quick access toolbar right here. I actually find that a little bit more convenient because I don't have to scroll my cursor all the way back up to the top away from my slide. It's so much closer to my slide here. So now here I go. There are my transitions. There's my text box, put it in. One of the things I do a lot is insert shapes. So I might add that to my quick access toolbar. So then there's my shape. Even if I have something that I really like, I can just almost always find a way to add that to my quick access toolbar. So whether you use it above the ribbon or below the ribbon, and whether you use it for a single presentation or as your default every time you open PowerPoint, I think you'll find that once you take just a couple of minutes to set up your quick access toolbar, it will save you loads and loads of time.